how combat sport can help you heal after a breakup. In today's session, I'm going to reveal to you 7 ways with which combat sport will help you heal after a breakup. I'm Coach Paz, Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. And after my breakup, I just needed a release. All this anger, she cheated on me, monkey branched on me, and I had so much anger towards the guy she was with. And actually, when I caught them, I didn't say shit. I saw them kissing and I held my fist like that. I said to myself, I'm gonna kill him. I'm just gonna murder the person right now. I was really mad. You can imagine seeing your girl kissing another man. I needed to come back to center and I didn't do shit. What I've done is run back home crying, packing all her shit and put it outside of the door. That's all I've done. And I kind of regretted it in a way that I didn't just smash his face and kick his teeth in. But now I'm happy that I didn't because, it doesn't really worth it. But anyways, I needed a release for this pain and for this anger. Maybe you don't have this severe anger like I had. Maybe for you it's a little bit less, but I can only speak from my experience. So it helped me. And it helped, by the way, many of my clients. And like I said, I'm going to outline 7 things for you that you will realize it. And I want to show you a little video also later on how this pain helped me, because I went to train with one of the world's champion Muay Thai trainers, and I told him one day, just punch me as hard as you can in my belly. Just fucking crush me, because I was in such an emotional pain that I needed the physical pain to distract me. So I'm gonna put this video right now for you, just for you to see how he just kicked the shit out of me, and I took it. After I took it like a motherfucking man, I felt so much better. I just felt relieved, so relieved. And it helped me with increasing my masculinity, my testosterone, my confidence, everything. So whether you're a man or woman, it doesn't matter. Combat sport will help you heal. So the number one thing that I want you to know is that it will help you channel the negative emotions. So it's like a magical cure. You don't need alcohol, you don't need drugs, you don't need anything. Anything. You can channel this negative emotion. So combat sports offer a constructive outlet to release intense emotions like anger, frustrations, and sadness. Punching a bag or sparring, oh my God, lets you physically and emotionally process these feelings without hurting yourself or others. Well, I can't say I didn't hurt others. I did hurt my opponents more than once because I went all in. I am a 100% kind of person. So even when I sparred like a motherfucker. And I remember one time, oh my God, I just sparred with a partner. And I don't know how much you know about Muay Thai, but when you train and you spar, you don't really do head kicks, you don't do twists, you don't do the arm twist, when you give a back, like with the back of your hand punch. And I've done all of this to one of my opponents, and he didn't like it. I hope I can find this video. If I can, I'll put it here for you guys to see what he did. So I tried to do a twist, a kick and twist punch, and he dodged it. And then he said, all right, he did the same, and he hit me on the neck with a punch, and he knocked me out. Yeah, so sometimes if you again, you don't need to be extreme as I am, but this is just me. And like I said, I'm gonna share with you my experience. I am enthused about it because it really helped me, and I know it can do the same for you. So that happened. Now, number 2 is boosting your confidence. It will boost your confidence for sure. Practicing techniques and developing new skills can and will boost your self-esteem and give you a sense of accomplishment. Each training session becomes a reminder of your strengths and resilience, empowering you to move forward. Move forward. You see how you get better at the technique, whatever it is, boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, jiu-jitsu, whatever you want. When you see your progress, you feel accomplished. And when you feel accomplished, you start gaining momentum. You fall in love with this, and this is how you fall back in love with yourself. It's all about self-love, and it's all about self-respect, and it's all about growth. After a breakup, if you don't grow, you're decaying. So you need to make sure that you're growing by doing this kind of stuff, especially the earlier stages. And by the way, quick disclaimer, I don't do combat sports now. I stopped because I it served this part. I don't really need it. That's it. I will go sparring once a month or maybe twice, once every 2 months, but I don't really need it now. Now just a hobby, fun thing to do. No longer have this resentment or anger that I feel that I need to get out of my system. And yeah, it can be it can be like an emotional crutch to you as you're going through your grief process and processing your emotions. Number three is building mental toughness. Ooh, yes, that was the thing for me. Combat sport requires discipline, resilience, and mental focus, all of which can help you build and rebuild your inner strength. Training teaches you to keep going even when things gets hard, reinforcing that you can overcome emotional challenges too. That's the secret. That's the secret sauce. You become so strong mentally and physically during this process. It's all you need. It's all you need. And by the way, if you need extra help with building your mental discipline, your strength, and overcoming your breakup, get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, which I'm offering that for you right now for only $37 for limited amount of time. So make sure you take advantage of it and just grow through this breakup. Don't just accumulate knowledge and frustration by watching YouTube videos all the time. Don't. Apply it. Turn your pain into wisdom. Go through the process. One, two, three, four. That's it. I outlined a process for you. All you need to do is plug in, do the work, and that's it. I got you. I instruct you from A to Z in the program. So make sure you check it. It's the link in the description below. If you need one-on-one help, of course, the link in the description below as well. Or join my private Facebook group. It's for free. The Rise of the Phoenix online healing community where everybody is there helping each other because we are going through this together, my friends. Remember, we are in this together and you are not alone. Everything you need to heal is here for you on my channel, my groups, and everything is here. You just need to choose what you need, what you want to do, and how you're going to grow through this breakup, not just go through it, grow through it. Don't just move on, move forward. And I'm here to make goddamn sure that you do that. Number four, empowering physical health. Physical activity naturally boosts mood through the release of endorphins, helping you feel so much better in the short term. Plus, regular training improves your physical health, which positively impacts your self image and overall well-being. And now I'm training twice a day. In the morning I do cardio. I do 100 burpees each and every single day before breakfast. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I am putting a video every day that I'm doing the 100 burpees each and every single day for 100 days. This is number one. And number two, I go to the gym at night with my personal trainer every single day. I fell in love with physical activity because it strengthened my mind, my body. I look better. I feel better. That's just all there is to it. Simple, simple, simple. And don't let simplicity fool you because simplicity is just distilled wisdom. Number five, learning mindfulness and self control. Combat sports emphasize self awareness, teaches you to stay present and focus, which can reduce overthinking and help calm post breakup anxiety. Number six, forming new connections. Joining combat sports gym introduces you to supportive community of people who may have gone through similar challenges. This camaraderie and shared experience can reduce feelings of isolation. And we all know that after a breakup, we are isolated as fuck. We don't want to see anybody. Anybody. We don't want to do anything. When you do this, you start seeing people that are people there, they're fighting different demons. And I always say the people who go to the gym twice a week, twice a day, or people who do combat sport, they dealing with different type of demons inside of them. Some of them are dealing with addictions, some of them breakups, some of them just do this for mental clarity, but everybody is fighting someone. something. And in life, we're always in some kind of battle. Sometimes it's internally, most times it's internally, sometimes it's externally, but it's important to strengthen yourself on a daily basis, mentally and physically, because life is coming. Things are happening. And when you weather yourself through physical training and you inflict adversity upon yourself and don't just wait it to happen, you become so much stronger. And right now in my life, when something comes, I'm like, hey, been there, done that, not my first rodeo. Let's fucking go. That's how I deal with problems now, because I know how. I know how only by going through it, growing through it, weathering myself, and become stronger through this adversity. Because when the adversity comes, the important thing is not just to go through it, it's how you go through it. Going to the gym, it's not just going to the gym, how you speak to yourself when you go to the gym, when you train. Are you talking down on yourself or talking to yourself up? It's very different. And you got to realize that whatever you do, it's not just the doing of it, it's how you do it, the intention behind it, and the energy you emit to it. Number 7, redefining self-worth. By challenging yourself, you discover your strength and see yourself as capable and resilient. Combat sport can redefine your self-worth, helping you to move beyond the breakup with healthier, stronger self. This journey might seem intense, but every session builds resilience, rewiring you to take control and thrive. That's it. And I want to dedicate this entire video to my trainer, Magnus Anderson. He made me through this combat sport who I am today through his mental discipline and physical and everything that I learned from him. So I want to dedicate this video to him with so much love, and I hope that you guys got a lot of benefit out of it. If you're ever in Tulum and you want to come and train with us, let me know. Sending you love and healing, my friend, and stay strong. You got this. If you need my help, I'm right here for you. You got this.